Turn it. Hey, wait. You want
Hey,
to
why are we going in?
Alright, we're good.
We're good? No, we're not!
See, now we're going to be going sideways.
Oh no, Chucky!
Hey.
God, now it's gonna be sticky gross. Alright. I'll hold it. I got it.
Oh, Elliot, you know what a tsunami is?
No.
You're about to find out.
We
I
didn't
showed you a
turn!
thing, now we're going
We
down
didn't
backwards.
turn! Ah!
Oh, it was a seatbelt.
I forgot.
Oh my God, Dan!
It's been a while.
Hey, Dan, there's your ride right there.
Ah,
Huh?
it's a waterfall.
At least the waterfall's off.
It started as soon as you go under. It's been really fast. Who's gonna get it? Spinning out of control.
No!
Here it comes. Oh God. Ow.
There, don't you
Jackie.
Goodbye.
Oh, my bum.
Why is this so Yeah. I got a little sprinkler on me. That's about
We
it.
still have a life sprinkler. Oh my God!
Violence. I don't remember it being this violent.
There's so little people out of the way, it just makes us fly
I
around.
think so. Oh, my gosh.
This is how.
This is how we do it.
Yeah! I did!
Talk about Russian roulette, you know what?
Hold on, please.
Keep turning with it.
Hold on, Elliot.
Why?
Because I said so. Hold on.
You got it twice. Three times.